I've loaded the design into WAZER, which is a super easy browser-based software. There's just a few simple steps. First to scale and then position it on the bed, set the material and then select the cut path and then add a couple of tabs to prevent the piece from moving as it gets cut, and then save the file to an SD card. Even though I still love making things by hand and always will, it really is a cool machine. To cut through a hardened file so cleanly and precise is amazing. Now I'll make the handle from brass again, and I'll also cut that on the WAZER. If I had the time, I'd do a production run of these, but anyway, onto the bending jig I mentioned earlier. I welded a few scraps together for another fly press jig. It only took a quarter of an hour to make, and it's already worked great on Gehard's knife. So anyway, I'll put some oil on and press my handle. It did spring back the slightest amount. I didn't show it, but I closed it up in the vise. I parted it off camera and I'll dome it over later on. I just need the working pin for now to try it out. This blade has a thumb tab on the top, and I could leave it as it is, that would be fine, but I'd rather try and forge it down like a traditional higanakami. It's tricky though. If I'm not careful with the heat, it will run through the blade and ruin the temper. Hopefully by clamping the blade in aluminium, it will keep the blade cool by drawing the heat away from it. I had to work fast as it cooled down quickly, and even though I haven't shown it, it took about 5 goes, but I got there and you can see the temper colours didn't reach the blade. I thought this was an awesome project. I'd slightly changed one thing to the bigger knife. I'd moved the pivot back just a touch, but I reckon they're both great.